Everyone, thank you for joining me for this today. I know as you guys are trying to get through the semester and handle different things and get prepared to go to internships and jobs and at different stages of your career, you're gonna have to figure out how to balance time. One of those things that help you is how you can do your food. So meal prepping has helped me and my wife do get through some tough things, especially as you have to kind of balance your schedules, especially if you have weird schedules like the third shift overnight and stuff like that. So here's a couple of tips that are good, especially for the workplace. So it's decent type of food. So some of these things are good for you to help really focus and do certain things. Obviously, don't bring salmon to the workplace and warm it up in the microwave. That's not going to be cool with your coworkers.
So tell me a little bit about the event that you were just at.
I really like the event because I'm not the best cook. I don't really like cooking, but I know that I need to have something every single day or Monday through Friday for work. I need to be eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I've actually started meal prepping every Sunday, and that's my New Year's resolution. Since like middle of January, I started doing it. So I've been making a lot of things like chicken and spinach and stuff like that, and then like kind of like side dishes like rice and like potatoes and stuff like that. And I really like what Ryan was like telling us, like some dry snacks like nuts he was talking about, and then beans. Maybe not the best idea, but they are really good for you. So he gave a lot of like different types of like foods and proteins that you can bring to work that aren't gonna like smell like where you work, but are also like really good for you and will keep you through the day.